Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by sampling and quantifying problems so you know what to fix. Run select count, select distinct and limited queries to find null, duplicates, and bad types. Once done, create a staging table or temp view to work safely. Use create table as or with to avoid touching production. Make sure to document column types and constraints before changes. This immediate, small-scope staging approach prevents accidental data loss and gives you a sandbox for iterative cleaning. You now apply focus transformations to standardize and correct values. Use lower and trim to unify text, then rejects replace to strip junk. This prevents downstream mismatches. For types, use trycast or safe parsing functions so failures return null instead of breaking pipelines. Once parsed, deduplicate records with row number over partitions, keeping the latest or most complete row. While transforming, run incremental checks and compare record counts so you can roll back if results look wrong. You finish by validating and moving clean data back into production. Execute integrity checks, foreign key counts, null percentages, and range checks, and compare to your pre-cleaning baseline. Then load using transactions. Insert, select, or a staged swap to ensure atomicity. Make sure to keep audit logs and a rollback path. If problems appear, inspect the logged mismatches, rerun targeted cleansing queries, and iterate until checks pass. This gives you a repeatable, safe process for future runs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.